Once upon a time, in a kingdom surrounded by a dense, magical forest, there lived a kind-hearted princess named Elara. She had long golden hair, sparkling blue eyes, and a smile that could light up the darkest night. Princess Elara loved exploring her kingdom and was always eager to meet new friends. One sunny morning, Elara decided to venture into the enchanted forest. She walked past blooming flowers and chirping birds, following a path she had never taken before. As she wandered deeper into the woods, she stumbled upon an open clearing where she heard a soft, melodic tune. Curiosity led her closer to the sound, and she discovered a large, gentle dragon playing a beautiful melody on a wooden flute. The dragon, named Zephyr, had shimmering emerald scales and kind, wise eyes. At first, Elara was nervous because she had never seen a dragon before, but Zephyr spoke in a soft, reassuring voice. "Hello, Princess Elara. I hope my music didn't frighten you." Relieved, Elara replied, "Not at all, it was lovely. I've never met a dragon who could play music before." Zephyr chuckled warmly and said, "Music has a way of bringing joy and peace, don't you think?" Elara nodded excitedly and asked if she could learn to play the flute too. Zephyr agreed and patiently taught her the notes. Day after day, the princess would return to the clearing to practice, and her skills grew. Soon enough, Elara could play alongside Zephyr, creating melodies that echoed through the forest. Word of their friendship spread throughout the kingdom. Curious villagers would sometimes gather at the edge of the forest to listen to the harmonious tunes. The king, hearing about his daughter's new friend, decided to visit the forest himself. He was amazed at the friendship and the music that Elara and Zephyr created together. He invited Zephyr to the castle to play at the annual kingdom festival. Zephyr accepted the invitation and, along with Princess Elara, performed for all the people of the kingdom. The music they created was unlike anything anyone had ever heard. It brought joy and unity to everyone, erasing any fears they had about dragons. Moral of story: true friendship transcends differences and brings peace and joy to all.